Namaskar, I am Clara D'Souza from New Era Global Kids Morbi. Let's start our new session 2020-21 with Gayatri Mantra. Join your hands, close your eyes. Om Bhur Bhuvat Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvat Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Bhur Bhuvat Swaha Tat Savitur Varenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Open your eyes. How are you all? I hope you are fine at home. So stay home, study on. Kids, you know what did we learn in last video? Yes, phonetics words. Phonetics A words. Which words? Phonetics A. So, which picture is this? Which picture is this? Yes, hat. What is the spelling of hat? Hat, hat. This is hat, hat. No. 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 Yes, this is hat, hat. Hat, hat. Which spelling is this? Let's read. And fan. Where is the picture of fan? This is the picture of fan? No. This is the picture of fan? No. This is the picture of fan? No. This is the picture of fan? Yes. And fan. Now next. Which spelling is this? Let's read. At cat. Where is the picture of cat? This is the picture of cat? No. This is the picture of cat? No. This is the picture of cat? Yes. Cat. Now next. Tab. Where is the picture of tab? This is the picture of tab? No. This is the picture of tab? Yes. Tab. Now, next. Which spelling is this? Egg bag. Where is the picture of bag? Yes, this is the picture of bag. Now again revise all the spelling. At hat. Egg bag. And fan. At cat. Tab. This is our new topic, E phonetics word. Okay. What is this we learn today? E phonetics word. CVC word. E CVC word. Okay. This is the alphabet box and this is the alphabet net. Okay. Now, which picture is this? Web. Which picture is this? Web. What is the first letter of web? W. What is the sound of W? W. 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 And the middle one is E. What is the sound of E? E. E. And the last letter is B. What is the sound of letter B? B. 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 E. B. B. E. B. B. E. Web. Now, next picture. Which picture is this? Den. Which picture is this? Den. So, what is the first letter of den? What is the sound of letter D? D. 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 And the middle one is letter E. What is the sound of letter E? E. E. And the last letter is letter N. What is the sound of letter N? D. 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 And Dan. Now, next picture. Which picture is this? Leg. Which picture is this? Leg. So what is the first letter of leg? L. What is the sound of letter L? L. L. And the middle one is letter E. What is the sound of letter E? E. E. And the last letter is G. What is the sound of letter G? G. 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 L. E. G. L. E. G. L. Lag. And what is the next picture is this? Bag. The first letter is B. What is the sound of letter B? B. 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 And the middle one is E. What is the sound of letter E? E. E. And the last letter is D. What is the sound of letter D? D. D. B. E. D. B. E. D. B. Add bad. Again, we revise all the spelling. V. E. B. V. Ab. Wab. D. E. D. And Dan. L. E. G. L. Egg. Leg. B. E. D. Bad. Bad. Okay. The first letter and last letter is consonants and middle one is vowels. The red color in consonants and blue color in vowels. Now next picture. Which is the picture is this? Pen. Which picture is this? Pen. So what is the spelling of pen? You know what is the spelling of pen? Yes. The first letter is P. What is the sound of P? P. P. And the middle one is E. The middle one is letter E. What is this? Vowels or consonants? Vowels. Yes, vowels is in blue color. Okay. The middle one is E. And the last one is N. What is the sound of letter N? And pen. Now next picture. Which picture is this? Man. Which picture is this? Man. What is the spelling of man? Which letter is this? M. What is the sound of letter M? Hmm. Hmm. And the middle one is letter E. Letter E. Okay. What is the sound of letter E? A. And the last letter is letter N. What is the sound of letter N? N. N. M. A. N. M. A. N. And man. Now next picture. Which picture is this? Peg. Which picture is this? Peg. Okay, so what is the spelling of peg? Which letter is this? P. What is the sound of letter P? P. 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 And the middle one is letter E. Okay. E is the vowels. And vowels in blue color. E. What is the sound of letter E? E. E. And the last letter is letter G. What is the sound of letter G? G. G. E. G. E. G. Egg. Peg. And the next picture is, which picture is this? Yes, 10. What is the spelling of 10? The first letter is T. What is the sound of letter T? The middle one is letter E. Okay. E is the vowels, and vowels in blue color. And the last letter is letter N. What is the sound of letter N? N. N. E. N. E. N. And 10. Let's quickly revise. E. N. P. And pen. And पेन. पेन हम कहाँ पे यूज करते हैं? यस, जब हम होमवर्क करते हैं ना, तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? पेन. नाउ नेक्स्ट पिक्चर. विच पिक्चर इज दिस? मैन. एक से ज्यादा जहाँ पे एंड मैन. एंड मैन. नाउ नेक्स्ट पिक्चर इज दिस? पेग. Egg. 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 Peg. Egg. Peg. Now next is 10. And 10. And 10. I hope you enjoy this activity. Thank you.